Contact happen again on this Marvin calendar, 19th November 2021, Friday. Say from Alien Family Group 1, need to be trust or make the conference for conversation next with Alien Family. 6661 for the scarfing being approved, being contacted for improve also about the statement on this moment. Alien Family International thinking about digital money for the existence of my logo 666 on international. And final appointment declaration existence is set national symbol money among countries human. Still considered by Alien Farm itself for the stars money logo as digital money. Internet global money digital. For securing the circulations and also about the existence next about Alien Farm assembling national banking international also for the money logo 666 simplistic secure and protected by Alien Farming on global networking countries. And finally thinking for that and 1661 for discovering to make the conference for preconditions conversation next with Alien Farming on international. About also real money product still considerance preparing or assembling Alien Farm self thinking about that. My logo 666 definitive agreement between Alien Farm and International for its momentum or the preconditions pre-comp one to the ID 666 on the sculpting. Say this pre-comp also conference for the meaning contact from Alien Farm also for the conversations can be holistic with Alien Farming on internet. ID 666 on the sculpting particular the next conversation with Alien Farming. Context Alien Farming on probability also supporting by Islam International. For about also Alien Farm starts independence among countries human. Self-declarations with country national UFO, Sky Real Estate Metropolitan, National Ethereum Galactica UFO as residence domicile country 666 among countries human. Context is about producing money logo 666. Digital money, nationality internet, alien farming, appointment with countries still thinking, still considering, still rematch also after this moment conference internet 666 on the sculpting by Alien Farm itself. Context Alien Farm International still thinking about the product money logo 666 as digital money. National banking internet global with the existence money logo symbol money 666. Digital money 666. Agreement with international Alien Family National 666. National internet. My logo 666. Want to rematch for conversations with Alien Family with countries on the progress. Alien Family on conversation with delegations such as United States of America and Islam International as next probability also for challenger. Context seems similar with them. Alien Farm International actually independence or international for the basically appointment or momentum to future. Leader for meaning also about Holy Spirit to Ellen Family. 6661 for discovery evening, being contact on this moment calendar. Ellen found International thinking about the ownership the digital money as a basic also for the money logo 666 on international. Producing assembling factory product money logo 666 with next considerance also by Ellen Family for ownership real product money logo on market international. It's about the circulation and securing for the appointment next. Ellen Family was secure for their interest on international. Ellen Family on the tribute and also national country national Ethereum Galactica. Context Ellen Family on country one appointment with County Siemens with step also to ownership money logo secure on the progress for the mobilizing and also next for the existence. National Banking money logo 666 Alien Family ownership secure money logo and for the following international conversation about that also Alien Family monetary ownership country code money logo 666 National Ethereum Galactica. Ellen Family President Bank actually Self-President National Banking Money Logo 666 Symbol Money 666 Leruri Patent Leruri being particular Mountain ID 666 Islam 666 Trinity Christianity 666 Emerter 666 Irwan Colony Discovery 666 RCDM Internet Global Progressive since 2008 until this year 2021 and next also are being agreed being understood by public international. We're also about the hearing existence case conspirations him in commanding goods to grave local domestic its countries. Definitive already being approved being agreed for them. Advocate with Alien Family Global. Premier alibi by Alien Family connection friendship countries, United States and also Europe and Asia countries. Just being contact on this, mainly also Africa also include and also Islam International and Israel Contact Internet Global. 6661 discovery evening is precondition for next conversation actually with Alien Family self. Alien Family ownership to Internet Global. Code Ethernet, code digital money, code 666. Inc. also Forex Global derivative. Alien Family ownership and want continue for that authority absolute 100% Alien Family. Code symbol money 666 numerical people. International banking monetary self list Alien Family. Symbol money 666. Eco also National Ethereum Galactica. 6661 for discovery evening. Contact Alien Family International. Probability being betrayed about this moment regress. Alien Family International thinking for ownership that the produce money logo secure protected digital money internet money digital. Alien Family contact for made the conference so can be conversations on international. Next podium is to Alien Family self. This momentum based context actually already prepared by Alien Family self or international since years before Reform 666 on discovery. Conversation between Alien Family with countries on Europe and America and Islam also. Ellen Farr International was secure for the next, one protected the appointment reject. Momentum decorations, Ellen Farr ownership national money logo, exclusive and protected itself by Ellen Farr or about the progress circulation on international global. Digital money, secure for status my logo 666. First step, first beginning, about also appointment Ellen Farr with Internet Global. Ellen Farr will reclaim their ownership actually to Internet. Already conversation with countries since years before Reform 6661 for discovery. National Internet to Alien Ethereum Galactica. Alien Farm itself called National Ethereum Galactica. Waiting for the next appointment to a refund numerical people that already complete on this day. More than the ID 6661 for discovery and Alien Farm International won the momentum for about digital money. As the existence of money logo 666, internet banking, global general banking money logo internet 666, national internet. Contextual family need to be particular about that by internet ID 6661 for discovery. Conference Internet ID 6661 for discovery. This moment progress case of Pranatran definitive already being understand. Very many betrayal among us. Contact need to make by Internet ID 6661 for discovery. Ellen Farr was secure for their momentum appointment. Refund numbering of people already complete and want to protect it for the momentum realization project on international digit money context internet global on appointment actually for the ownership to alien family about domain and also email and HTTP contact say need to be list for the conference on this moment also. Echo also social media internet since first beginning and then also first beginning of international forex global derivative and also about another. Think about internet. And then finally one confirmation reclaim about that. An appointment about that attribute foundation of Internet Global, actually to alien farming. 6661 discovery meaning or patent for the moment appointment. Waiting a refund number in Vivo 666. Alien farming was secure for next momentum. Declaration existency alien farming national my logo numbering Vivo. The true 666 in the world. 666 Kingdom, 666 Trinity Christianity, 666 Islam, 666 Emerter, 666 Caesar, 666 Egyptian and etc. 666 Iran final discovery, definitive. Already being agreed by alien farm self and contact already happen also to countries and alien Emerter. Performs of the appointment precondition already made by alien family since years before Reform 666 one for discovery meaning. On Europe and also countries there, but Sky Real Estate, Metropolitan National UFO, and also America and Islam International. Alien family already recognized about Internet ID 666 one for discovery. Definitive the 2666 in the world and want to be secure for the momentum because already preparing since years before Reform 666 one for discovery. Context this about digital money for alien family still thinking about that. One considers again for producing real product money logo 666 on market economy international through countries. What about the protection? What about the ownership asset or the existence circulations, my logo 666 and etc. Context for the first beginning step, very potential for about digital money. Internet global unemployment with alien farming, assets to alien farming. Context is also about international forex global derivative. Actually, alien family own money and also still called by international by alien family advocating self also or continue the conference on this moment. Enter the ID 666 on discovery. Alien Fund International is owner to global forex derivative. International Forex, first beginning of Forex International, and also about the banking or about digital money and etc. Next explanation, comprehensive, contact confirmation to alien farm itself. 666 one could discovery being betrayed for the information based contact say on this moment improve contact happening. People's actually doing cheat for the momentum. Contact alien filing say security for the appointment is needed. Alien file declarations need to be improved for the particular encoding because this moment very absurd and on the potential for confirmation next. Alien filing on conversation actually on international about internet ID 666 one discovery. Perfecting speech and also about the statement. Context alien file international rather to choose the appointment to internet. National internet. Money logo 666. Digital money about also forex global. Alien file international. Drop it century to century. Context saying this millennium already being success by internet ID 666 one discovery. The appointment already complete, already happened. 666 on discovery, the choosing one, century to century, Holy Spirit destiny, owner of numbering people, already made the particular and recognized by international on this day. Definitive success for that. And alien fund international was secured for the next momentum. But about the appointment, alien fund ownership, my logo 666. For mate, the moment claim internet ID 666 on discovery. The refund number go people. Context 666 with alien fund actually Islam Sharia International independence and available for the moment decorations on internet global social media. ID 666 you want to discovery alien foreign ownership state national money logo ambassador Simo Money 666 alien family owner of internet global non just for one country but actually available to all countries on international Islam, include also Asia countries and also America and countries on continents America and also Europe. Alien family with their capability and also their assets on international internet global. That's also HTTP and also domain, subdomain, include also social media and also forex. And apps also context.com, .net, .gay and etc. And another thing about internet global and also computer and etc. Definitive actually recognized by international. One reclaim what promote back again on this moment. It's about the momentum existence in my logo 666. National My Logo 666. Context Ellen Font National or degree 666 on the scarf remaining completing the appointment. The refund numbering call people or the complete or the success. By internet ID 666 on the scarf remaining. Just about waiting the realization project. Ellen Font self committee. And context 666 on the scarf framing or name one Cornell definitive on money reward for this moment request 20 trillion rupiah definitive can be responsible because this progress case or authentic by people's alibi public or starts alibi for the moment experience supernatural suspect activity human conspirations among social Context 666 one could discovering our reward for that. Ellen Font International thinking for the momentum existence in money logo, decorations, existence in national money logo 666. And 1666 one could discovering to make the conference on this moment already happened and 666 1 scarf evening getting absurd for the contact happening. Ellen Font International contact said improved by 666 1 scarf evening can be trust and responsible can be perfecting for next conversation international countries. So also Islam International also available and also Asia and Europe and Africa also and etc. Ellen Font International National Ethereum Galactica. Ellen Font International already known, already recognized about Internet ID 666 for discovery. Definitive appointment already happened and the existence of my logo 666 also context Internet ID 666 for discovery with its template banner. Definitive one delegation for the existence of decorations, proclamations, Ellen family on display. 666 one for the scarf evening. That's all for now. Thank you very much. And people can search for the updates, information, and conference into the ID 666 one for the scarf evening on social media, internet on this day, such as also Google and Facebook and YouTube also and etc. Context Ellen Font also want to reclaim the ownership social media on this day. All social media actually still case to Ellen Font. Ellen Font is owner to internet. All things about internet is under authority of Ellen Font Global National UFO. The domain http.com and etc. Computer and internet. Context this the appointment reclaim ownership also. Besides also another such also countries and another. Include also for the momentum appointment decoration my logo 666. 666 one for the scarf meaning. Thank you very much and see you again. Internationally, the 6-day got one great human. Context 666 on the scarf evening need to be careful for this moment can be betrayed by unresponsible peoples among countries or international. Ellen family serve international interest war or a victory since this millennium, war by war or a victory by Ellen Font. It's also about America. Actually, Ellen Font definitive already being understand, we recognize for the moment appointment 666. Since years before the 4666 on for this country. Context says similar with that and Ellen Font want independence for about actually. Thank you very much and see you again.